Hey, it's another 100 days of gratitude, and I am very thankful that we survived the storm. There was one fatality in Surrey. I was very fortunate to have power the whole night, both at work and at home. I got home and the house wasn't flooded or anything, and the storm seemed to have mostly passed by the time that I left work, so I was able to get home safely without any worry about being hit by a tree or a power line. So I'm very thankful for that, and I'm going to show a little bit of the storm. I've got some fountains at work, and I'm going to show you what they're like normally, and then when the wind was blowing, you'll see how far the water was spraying. It was pretty wild. So I'm wondering what you're most thankful for today. Post your comments below. Lots of love. Namaste.